Hey crafters, today I'll be making this Diva plant holder. If you want to know how I did this, then stay tuned. The things I used was a mannequin head from Temu, my plant leaves, the hair stocking caps, the beads, and the lashes all came from the Dollar Tree. Okay, so right here I'm just using acrylic markers to color her lips and change her eye color. Okay, I'm just poking the top of her head with some scissors so that I can place the plant inside it. Now I'm just taking some cloth and I'm wrapping it around her head. As always, I wanted to take a minute to thank everybody who watches my videos. It truly means the world to me, and I really appreciate every single one of you. I'm just making her some earrings with the beads from the dollar store. And this is the finished look, guys. Let me know what you think. Thank you for watching. Until next time. Bye.